Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert chart in MS Word document. So first of all open MS Word and after that click on insert. Now in here click on chart icon. Now select chart as your requirement like column, line, bar, area and some another one. So if you want to insert line chart, so select line chart and click on OK. Now in here you can change the value for this chart, and also you can change the style of chart, like there is some different style of chart. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method you can insert chart in MS Word. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.